said he's never paddle shifted before. He's got the same car. He's had it for a while. It doesn't make any sense. Boy's driving like me. Wow, that sounded severely stock. That's okay though. We'll make this work. It'll be nice. Look at that. Like, look and seeing someone else in the car. See? Like, I feel like when you have a car channel, you follow the car because you see it all the time, like on the channel. But when you're driving it, like, you don't even see it. You know what I mean? That's why I hate it. Like, I want people to film me, but like, you just don't want to hire a camera guy. I swear. He lives here too. I don't know how they're gonna feel about that. Yeah, he's so gone. I don't even know. Almost like a video game, you know? It's like trying to play chase. Like, trying to chase him is pretty crazy. The car itself looks so different. Paddle shifters.
I get a little bit back. No.
You use them. Like, put it in first gear right now.
Okay, how?
Like, just press down. And now go. It is a new experience because he doesn't know how to use the paddle shifters. Hi, Mr. UPS guy. And I don't know, it's interesting to me because like ever since I got this thing, like I've been beating it up via paddle shifter. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the favorite thing is like that little flap. Like, I wanted the flap to do that. I don't know if any of my OG guys remember, but I was always talking about, you know, I want that flap to flap in the wind the first time I got it.
Everything I think is dark, like it's 106 in Park. Put that thing in sport then part. Now you know I'm skirting. Told that bitch ain't got no heart. Knew that shit straight from the start. Man, I swear these times are hard. Whoa! Hop out the whip, I ain't claiming. You talking cap, need a slap, you don't fall on your lap, and I'm in a career, ain't changing. Whoa, man, this shit is really sad. I don't really mean to brag, but you boys don't get no bags. I shop Versace, mine be black. Extend the clip and take the fun. Should be dangerous where I'm from. West side, east of 321, them boys are poppin'.
He just... I don't think they're even responding to it. People are kind of strange. If that was me, I'd be like, man, what the fuck? I'd look to the side and do everything. I really can't. It looks great, like, from right here, but, like, it's too center of my car. Like, I need to be pushed back. Like, look at that. It's, like, only my car. Like, I can only see, like, half of yours. Let me, like, move a little bit. No, actually, yeah, but we end up blocking these people off. Do it very quickly. I can't. I don't even know why we're doing this. I like that. I like that. Okay. That is a cool place to park. It's a cool place to, you know, like, what time should we even be doing that? Like, what time should we, you know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about.
Donuts! How did you know they were my weakness?
No one can resist.
What time should we, you know, what? You ever heard of Krispy Kreme? You haven't heard Krispy Kreme before?
I don't.
Dunkin' don't. We got a crowd. I call that a successful evening. I just wish I had my voice. Can't make music, but I will upload this video. And that means I recorded this on Tuesday, okay? Take that how you will, depending on how you watch this. And time jump. What is up, guys? It is Simeon from the Same Thing channel, and this is, I don't know, it's like the beginning of like September or something, and I recorded that video June 11th, and I was like, man, I really want to put this thing together, but I don't really feel like doing it. My music playing in the background. I don't even know if I'm gonna get copywritten against the right there in my closet and everything. And yeah, pretty simple living here. Recording this at night as you know, the hurricane decided to just do a hard left and just not affect us at all. Like I never thought it was, and everyone was like, "Oh my God, we're gonna buy all the water from the store." Like what the fuck are you gonna do with all that water, huh? Like, are you literally gonna like just wash yourself with this bottled water? Like, just like get some baby wipes or something, man. Like sit back and chill. And guys, don't worry about me. Your boy's living lavish now. Remember, I'm a rapper. I gotta fit the image. I got Versace earrings on. I'm bulling it. I'm chilling, bro. Check me out on Spotify. Simeon. Check me out on Apple Music. Simeon. Check me out on anything. Simeon. My name is Simeon.
Now ain't this crazy?
Whoa. Been at the top of Colin Drizzy, lapping niggas, got me dizzy. Bass be bouncing, call it Iggy. Diamonds dancing, name him Shiggy. Black back castle, steady.